Agramatic's Cloud Service Video Guide series. Today we will be looking at the archive and deletion features from the cloud service. If you would like to follow along, you can log in at cloud.agramatics.com and log into your account there. As always, I am on our Agramatics support account. It is a pro-enabled account, and archiving and deletion is a pro exclusive feature. So unfortunately for our basic subscribers, it is not a feature offered for them, but it is for our pro subscribers. You have full access to our archive and deletion features from the website. Basic subscribers can still delete data, but they only need to do it from the Libra apps, whereas pro subscribers can do it from the cloud service. So we can see here that we, as a pro subscriber, do have access to the archive tab here. I don't have anything currently archived, but we will go through some examples where it is useful. So again, as a pro subscriber, you do gain access to this delete or archive function. The difference between the two can be kind of seen with these two trucks here. You can see that this truck here, this blue truck, has had at least a few loads. You can see that it's had a last total load for this season. And so if I try and delete that, it's going to warn me that the truck is in use and it has some data tied to it. And so it won't be deleted, but it can be archived. And you can always bring back an archived thing, whereas this truck, this red truck, does not have any data tied to it, and thus can be safely permanently deleted without losing anything. Essentially right now it's just been sitting in a garage for all the app knows. And so we can permanently delete it, and that one is not able to be brought back later. And archived and deleted items will be removed from your lists. And again, that main difference is that deleted items cannot be brought back, whereas archived items can be brought back at any time, as we'll be showing you here. So say I have my two operators here, and maybe our Andrew operator here, he's not working with us this year, and so we can remove him just because we don't want to see him in the list and have to scroll past him every time we want to be changing operators or viewing them. But then, say our season goes by, and then next time we're out and about, oh, well, Andrew wants to come back, and I can say, oh, well, I had you already, so I've archived you because I didn't want you in our list. But then I can simply go into my archive here, find my operators, and go into restore. If he wants to change the name of the operator, say he wants to go by a different name, but we want it to still be the same person, we can do that and then hit restore, and means he's left the archive and has come back into our active operators list. So that is a little bit more about the archive and deletion features from within the cloud service. Again, that is a pro only feature available to our pro subscribers. For more instructional videos, app help, how-to guides, and troubleshooting tips, please visit our support page at support.agramatics.com.